Thank you everyone for being here today. I'm Stephen from Versatech International. I'm here today to talk to you about who we are, what we do, and what we can do for you. Versatech International is a technology distributor. What that means is that we help global brands deliver their solutions, beautiful products, and brand promise to local enterprises. We value partnership, service, learning, and trust above all. These core values and principles have helped shape who we are as a company, guided our collective action, and given us a clear direction. My team is here with me today. They're around here somewhere. Can't really see them right now. So if you want to know more about our company, I encourage you to approach any one of them. They're all very friendly. So I believe that customers help define companies. And we've been fortunate in having been appointed, I'm sorry, my slides are not here. Been fortunate in being chosen to provide distribution services for some of the most prestigious technology companies in the world. We've been in the technology distribution business for over 35 years, and the landscape has changed. As a result, we've had to evolve from leveraging traditional physical capabilities to utilizing more modern knowledge capacities. Yet our work remains very simple. We find or build the most cost-effective means to help connect business problems with technology-based solutions. And we do this at scale. In short, we are in the business of bridging technology to you. In order to manage the many business risks that are associated with technology distribution, we work with over 2,000 experts comprising of companies that resell, design, integrate, and provide a range of services to business enterprises here in the Philippines. As for what we can do for you, working with Versatech gives you an opportunity to build a brand-to-business relationship with some of the most technologically advanced companies in the world, who have over decades spent billions of dollars into research and development. This would give you access to the latest technological innovations as well as insight into global best practices. That would both enhance, both your customer value proposition and competitive advantage. With that, I will turn over the stage to the regional executives of Bose shortly. Bose is a premier brand in audio technology, and they have some very exciting products that we will experience today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Stephen Yu.
Thank you, Stephen. Today is really, for me, a celebration of partnerships. At Bose, being a private organization, we really value long-term relationships. We also celebrate today the value that Versatech can bring to the marketplace, and as a result, how we can complement that. I've been asked many times, why did we consider Versatech as a partner for Bose? And the word partner is really the key fundamental to the whole equation. It's not about distribution, it's not about putting products into the marketplace. It's really about how we can work together in the marketplace to add value to end customers, to business partners, to anybody in the value chain, right? If we were just interested in making money, we could have a bunch of resellers in the marketplace. We could just look at introducing products which sells very easily, which can easily be installed by anybody. That's really not what we do. What we do is we enhance value. We look at equations, we understand how we can solve them. It's at the core of our organization. We're an R&D organization. Research and development is what we live for. When we develop products, they have to be unique. They have to define a market space. We're not really interested in dominating the market space unless we can add value. And that, in essence, is the reason why we chose a partner like Versatech. If you look around you, this is a very unconventional space where people would come to understand how they can provide a solution for a project or for an end customer. When you walk into this space, I was amazed myself. And I look around, there's flooring, there's walls, acoustics for walls, paneling, etc. There's also lighting, there's cutlery at the back and things like that. So let's take, for example, a hospitality customer. He walks into here, he has a set of plans that they want to build up put up a building, they want to turn it into a hospitality space. When you come in here, you can spend a few hours really talking about the actual solution that you can provide for this customer. That to me is extremely, extremely important. We're not just talking about audio products, we're not just talking about Bose. Bose is a brand, but a brand that has built itself on real customer engagements, providing solutions, quality solutions that endure the lifetime of that relationship. When we consider where Versatech really started many, many years ago to where they are today, their company has evolved. We have a very similar story, but we also consider ourselves as a 50-plus-year-old startup company. Every day for us is a new day. Every day for us is about learning, and it's about experiencing. We hope today will be an opportunity for you to experience some of our products, some old, some new, some which are, maybe in development for future. And embrace with us this opportunity, this relationship as we evolve together with our partners in the Philippines. And maybe in 10 years' time when we come together again, hopefully it's sooner than that, you'll see that together we've evolved, we've brought better solutions to this marketplace, and they've helped us to build better Bose. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr.
To the organization to help support that growth.
25 years in pro audio. I've been working with the usual players for a long time, as you can imagine. Moving across to Bose has been a really rewarding experience.
The conversation with Bose started with outreach from the organization to me, saying, hey, you have expertise in this market, you've worked in this space, we need that.
We're listening to the customer and we're saying, hey, we hear you and we want to give you what you need, so we're going to do it.
I love bringing in all these new ideas and melding them with the knowledge and experience that we already had, because together it makes something very powerful, and that's awesome.
One of the great things that Dr. Bose would do would take some concepts and just bring them to life through an illustration. And one of them, there's a tree and you're just an ant who's climbing up. And eventually you come to a point that you think is the top of the branch. But in reality, you don't know. There may be another branch or another way around. And so you got to climb back down, start again.
You can see that throughout every building here at Bose Corporation, that it's okay to explore. And it's also okay to make some mistakes, because we believe that's the true way to learn.
Probably the greatest innovation he had was figuring out how to donate the company to a private institution that would keep us, essentially a private company, in perpetuity. MIT is really part of our DNA on multiple levels. Really, the idea of the company originated at MIT.
In this day and age of mergers and acquisitions, and what that means is that as a company we can stay the course through that.
You want to know that the company that is making that speaker is still going to be there, answering the phone, standing behind that product, even 10 years from now.
When our customers sell to their customers, their reputations are on the line. And so the degree of support we need to provide is that much higher.
What makes us very different is that we have 280 people all over the world. That means that they can wake up in the morning and then they can go to the integrators, go to the consultants, work directly with them.
We take care of everything. So we're a beginning to end support team. You don't have to call like a big international call center and get transferred 100 times. Integrators and dealers are able to get the support, get off the phone, and finish what they're supposed to do, what they're getting paid to do.
Today we're selling speakers, we're selling amplifiers, we're selling electronics, we're selling it into multiple vertical channels like Audible, business music systems, and banking, from taking the orders to helping them on technical work, and to helping them on installations. The way we really serve our customers is all the way through a project.
When you're putting your name on the line every show, you want quality gear that's going to stand up, and it's a big leap of faith, but it's happening. And this is just going to grow, it's just going to get stronger. I'm seeing some product coming down the pipeline, and I'm shaking my head going, I'm looking forward to that.